First, we begin to test the KClO₄ by preparing 7 beakers. Each of them is filled with a solution of NaClO₄ and NaClO₄. Here, I precisely contaminate the NaClO₄ brine with a NaClO₄ solution. The process is repeated with precision. Then the solution becomes too large, and I simply dissolve solid NaClO₄. After that, everything is ready to be transformed. A solution of potassium chloride is added to precipitate the potassium perchlorate. The magical metathesis. NaClO₄ plus KCl gives KClO₄ plus NaCl. Now, all beakers are ready to be pipetted. The powder is obtained after the brine has been removed, and paste hot dried. 33% hydrochloric acid is added by drops. 23% works almost as well. Maximum color occurs after 30 to 90 seconds. Now another test with 98% sulfuric acid. Results are a bit less colorful. Now, pure NaClO₄ brine is evaporated on 220 degrees Celsius plate. It is easier and faster to obtain. Drops of 33% hydrochloric acid are added. Persulfate doesn't affect the color. Colors are better. 99.9% remains totally white. By comparison with KClO₄. Special thanks to our NaClO who inspired me with his test here. Keep in mind, it is a toxic compound. Thanks for watching.